How to get a New Orleans car accident report online from NOPD. The preferred method to get a copy of your car accident report from the New Orleans Police Department is through submitting an open records request using the New Orleans Police Department's online portal. Steps to request an accident report via NOLA NextRequest. Visit the website. Navigate to nola.nextrequest.com. Submit a new request. On the homepage, click the Make Request button. Include key details. When filling out the form, provide as much information as possible. Date and time, the exact or approximate date and time of the incident. Location, the street address, intersection, or other identifiable location of the accident. Involved parties, names, if known, of individuals or vehicles involved. Item number, if known. This number, often provided by law enforcement, helps locate the specific report more quickly. It can be found on the document which was given by NOPD or OSS at the scene of the accident. Department for Request. Request the report from the New Orleans Police Department. Submit and track your request. After submitting the form and payment, you will receive a confirmation email with a request number. Once your request is processed, you will be notified via email. Payment for the report. Accident reports usually require a processing fee. After the request process, you will be prompted with an email to pay online. Be ready to provide a valid credit or debit card. Download the report. Log into your account or click on All Requests to search for, view, and download the accident report. At Lavis Law Firm, we have experience collecting the necessary documents regarding your car accident. If you have questions about what to do when you get in a car accident, the proper way to get these documents, or would like assistance in doing so, you can reach our office by calling 504-834-4000 or visiting lavislaw.com.